everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah and it's very nice to meet you. If you haven't already, go ahead and click subscribe, become part of the Kwak family. Hashtag Kwak fam. Alright, so this video is basically the makeup look you're looking at right now. I call this my springtime makeup look. Spring is in the air, it's right around the corner, I can feel it, and I can't wait. I know not all states follow the whole like daylight savings time stuff, but where I live, we do follow that stuff. And so longer days, shorter nights, yes please. Yes please. So anyways, if you want to know how I got this look and what I did to achieve this springtime look that I came up with, I think it's pretty springy looking. I don't know, don't you? So if you want to get this look that I created, go ahead and sit tight, don't go anywhere, and keep on watching. Okay, so now that my hair is pinned back and out of the way, I'm going to use my face primer and prime my face. And I'm using the e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer. And I'm just going to put that all over my face. Alright, so while that sits in my face, I'm going to start my brows. And today, the brow product I'm using is the Anastasia Dark Brown Duo Powder. So let's do our brows. I can't believe spring is already here. Time flies so quickly. I swear, like, the older I get, the more quicker time flies by. Alright, so before I dip into this product, I'm going to go ahead and take my spoolie and brush my brow hair. And then go ahead and fill in my brows. So the brows are almost done. Of course, I have to tame these brows down. And my all-time favorite, if you guys have like a product that I should try out when it comes to taming those long brow hairs, please let me know in the comments below, because if you watch my video, I use this product all the time, and it is the Chella Clear Brow Gel. This stuff just really works. Some brow gels, when I wear it, it's like you can feel your eyebrows getting all like crusty and like really hard, and for some reason, this doesn't do that. It keeps your brows in place, but at the same time, it doesn't feel like crunchy, if that makes sense. Yeah, so crunchy brows. Alright, so brows are good, and let's move on to the eyes. So for my eyes, I'm going to first prime them, of course. And I'm just going to prime it by using my concealer. Okay, so I'm going to go in using the Banana Cream Pie in the Kandee Johnson palette, which is that palette right here. Alright. And place that all over my lid. Okay, now taking the Latte palette by Dominique Cosmetics. Alright, this palette is white, so when the light hits it, you can't really tell. Alright, you see that? This palette right here, amazing. Okay, so taking the Latte palette, we are going to create a little bit of creasy action, dipping into caramel and just making like a windshield wiper, sweeping it back and forth. And you guys, when I do this, I am using the lightest hand as possible. Her colors are pigmented, and I just hope the camera I'm using is doing justice, because I'm being honest and I'm saying I do really like this palette. I love this palette. Like, honestly, every time I wear it, the number of compliments I get on it, it's, every time I wear it. Anyways, like I said earlier, time goes by when you get older very quickly. But then again, it's like, it's not so much that time flies by quickly, it's because when you get older, you become more aware of time, which makes it feel like time's flying by a lot quicker. Alright, so we got our little transition creasy action going on. Okay, so next color I'm diving in. Same palette, guys. Next color, I'm taking the color Pumpkin Spice. And you know what? I'm gonna use the same brush. It's my makeup, my face. I do what I want to do. So, using that same brush, I'm gonna put that on the outer corner and kind of make like a duck beak or V shape on the outer corner. And then bring that in a little bit. So now, taking the color Hazelnut, take a much skinnier brush this time. So yes, I did switch out the brushes. This is a much more compact, dense, skinny brush. And gonna go on the outer corner again, but not so much covering the pumpkin spice we placed on. And then taking the brush we used earlier, which is, I've only used 2 brushes so far. Well, technically 3, I guess, but taking that brush previously with like whatever product was remaining on it, I'm going to soften up the look a little bit. So far, so good, and I am loving this makeup. All right. So now we're diving into a different color in this palette. Now I'm taking the color Double Shot, and we're just gonna place that on the lid where we haven't placed any shadows yet. My eyes are looking beautiful. It's coming together. I'm loving it. All right. So we're going to put down the Dominique Cosmetic palette just for a second and pick back up the Kandee Johnson Too Faced Collab palette. And in this shadow palette, it has the color Frosted Pink. And we're going to place that on top of the Double Shot we just put on. Alright, so, you know what? Instead of Frosted Pink, I think I'm going to use the color Sugared Strawberry. It's just a more shimmerier and pinkier color. So take some of that Sugar Strawberry and just kind of put that right on top of the Double Shot. And you can even kind of bring it up a little bit just so that you can see like the Sugar Strawberry shadow kind of like peeking through above the Double Shot, if that makes sense. I think that looks really pretty. And I'm just gonna go back in with the pumpkin spice just a tad bit. Alright, so if you want to leave it as this and then just, you know, carry on with your lashes and your eyeliner, you can do that. But I decided to kind of darken up the look just a little bit more. So going into my Kandee Johnson palette, I'm picking up the color Hot Chocolate, just a beautiful matte brown color. So any brown color will do. And I'm just gonna darken up the corners. Alright, so I believe the look is pretty good. Okay, so time for the eyeliner. Alright, you guys, my eyeliner is on and my lashes are on. Life is good. Okay, so we gotta kind of blend in our lashes, our real lashes, to the fake lashes we just placed on. So we need mascara. And for mascara, which one should I use? I'm going to go ahead and use my Clinique High Impact Lash Mascara. And I'm just doing this so that my real lashes blend into the fake ones, you know? Okay, so during the spring, I do like it when my skin feels, you know, breathable, or is that a word? Yeah, breathable. So I like to go in with my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow. So this baby right here, which is super affordable. So let's go ahead and put on the foundation. Now, if you like to cake it on and, you know, put on like a heavier foundation, then you do you, but this is what I like to do. So just take it and just kind of blob it all over your face. No rhyme or reason. Just, and then taking my little brush that I kind of broke, but still works well. Blend it all over. Alright, so we got our foundation on, and let's put on some, what's next? Foundation, and then, ooh, concealer. So let's go back in and use that concealer we used earlier. Alright. Now that my concealer is on, I'm going to go back in with that Sugar Strawberry and kind of outline the bottom of my lash line. Just kind of like so. I feel like that really brings the look together. So that's what we're doing. Okay, so moving on to the cheeks. I'm using my Lip and Cheek by Milk in Perk. Lip stain and cheek stain. 2 in 1, guys. And then, of course, for my highlighter, I'm using the Kandee Johnson Candy Glow highlighter. And then finally, for my lips, I'm going to go in with the Bite Beauty in the shade Glace. Alright, you guys, you just finished this up with a little bit of setting spray or a lot of setting spray. I'm not going to spray my face because I'm about to go to sleep and don't want to waste makeup that I don't have to use, you know what I mean? So, finish it up with some setting spray, and then this is the springtime makeup look that I created. Alright, so this is the look. I hope you like it. You know, it's very, I think it's very springy looking, if I don't say so myself. A lot of like pinky colors and like some beautiful neutral colors. So, and a nice, beautiful matte lip. What more could you ask for, right? Okay, guys, so this is... Alright, guys, so that is it for the video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed this makeup look. And, yeah, if you haven't already, click subscribe. And if you like videos like this, go ahead and click the like button down below. And, of course, I hope you have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. I'll talk to you next time. Alright, guys, bye!